make masks for me. And I was like, nah, I'm too lazy for that. About 2 weeks later, she was like,
Okay, how about I pay you for the mask?
and I know how low her prices normally are, so I was like, sure. I was like, yeah, 7 euros, which is, I thought she would go down with the price.
Only 7 euros?
Well, that's not much for a mask. How about 10 euros then?
Oh no, you can go way higher with the price. You could go with 15 euros or even more.
Oh, 15 euros? Fine, I'll make you a mask. So here we go. But here's a family member that doesn't have a mask yet. So you're gonna get one too.
Find a rest material which you can wash with high temperature, so you can sanitize your mask easily. Measure 20 centimeters or 7.87 inches. Mark however you want. And then measure up 35 centimeters or 13.78 inches. Cut that out. Fold your piece in half like so. And sew on the top. Only leave a little space in the middle. You will need that later to turn your mask around. Now do this. I have no idea how to describe that, but I think you get it. Now comes the part where most people would use elastic straps, but I like to cut up jersey into stripes because this version is much softer. Jersey has the advantage that it's stretchy and it rolls up when you pull it. Also, if you have a jersey with the fabric printing like mine, you don't have to worry about the colors, because the back is wide and it rolls up so you can only see the back. Cut your stripes into ear length. Now put your stripe inside of your mask. You need one end in each corner. Secure that with a pin. Repeat that on the other side and sew along the whole side. If you want, you can also open up the already sewn seams, because that will make a flatter look. Whoa, that's almost like an earthquake. Non-lazy people would now get out the iron and iron down the seam. But if you're lazy like me, just do it with your fingers and your nails. It kind of works, I mean, it's enough. Then turn it around through the opening. Well, look at this. Now you already have an amateur mask. But if you want a professional mask, we still have a few steps. First, fold the ends over into the middle like so.
Yeah, I guess that's right.
Repeat that in all 4 corners and secure by sewing over like so. Voila! But if you want to be super fancy, we still need a wire for the nose. Cut off a piece of wire as long as your pinky finger. Bend in the sharp ends so they won't poke through the fabric. Put that through the opening we left open to turn your mask around in the beginning. Slide it to the top middle and secure it. Just be careful not to accidentally sew onto the wire and break your needle like I did way too many times.
Now that were some easy earned 15 euros.
Now for the cat, repeat all the steps, only in smaller dimensions. Earthquake! By the way, I didn't use a wire for this one.